Let's learn Java in an easy way. In this lesson, you will learn how to download the Java Platform Standard Edition Development Kit. The JDK is a development environment for building applications and components using the Java programming language. The JDK includes tools useful for developing and testing programs written in the Java programming language and running on the Java platform. In any web browser platform, go to www.google.com, then search Java JDK. Look for Java SE latest version. Click the Java SE Development Kit, then it will go directly to the www.oracle.com website where you can choose what type of operating system your computer has. If your system is a 32-bit, then choose Windows x86, and if your system is a 64-bit, then choose Windows x64. Click the download button that corresponds to the type of your computer system. Check the button I received and accept the Oracle Technology Network License Agreement for Oracle Java SE, then click the Download JDK file with .exe extension. The website will prompt sign in before downloading the file. If you don't have an Oracle account, so you must create account first. If you have already created an account, so fill in the username and password. Then click the sign in button and wait for the file to be downloaded. Wait until it completed the downloaded application. So we could proceed to the installation phase in the next video.